Hey everybody, in this video my fiance and I are rebuilding a camper into an ice fishing shack. Right now I'm taking off the outside tin along with the windows, also pulling out the insulation to be replaced. This camper suffered from some rain damage, so we also had to rebuild the corners of the frame. This project was a little bit more than we bargained for, but we do not regret it. When taking the tin off, there was a lot of staples, so we had to be careful not to rip a bunch of holes in it. I believe we did a good job of that. Rebuilding any part of the frame, we wood glued and screwed to ensure a stable foundation. Once the glue dried, each corner of the camper was rock solid. Also, please forgive some of my camera angles. A lot of this work was new and tedious, and with only being able to work on select weekends, it turned a 2-month project into a 2-year project. This is probably the most satisfying part of the video for me. We used 1-inch styrofoam as insulation and was able to stuff it in between the studs. It worked out nicely. Lots of help from friends and family, which made this a lot less stressful. We appreciate everyone's help with the completion of this project. Yeah, who needs keys anyways? On the windows, we use a seal called butyl tape to prevent any more rain damage, along with silicone after the windows are installed. Just wanted to say a quick thank you to everyone who lended a hand and helped out any way they could. It made a huge difference. Little tip, if you're gonna do something like this yourself, make sure you have a big garbage can. See you guys in the next video.